Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Confianands, and this is Pandana. Today I'll be doing this party smoky eye look. So to know the step-by-step procedure of how I created this look, please keep on watching. First, I'm applying orange color corrector to cancel out any dark circles and blending it well. Then I'm going in with my MAC concealer and applying it to my under eyes and all over the lid. And now I'm blending it out with the concealer brush. So this creates a good base for my eyes. Now I'm going to set it with loose powder to keep everything in place. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, starting off with applying wax and brushing them well, and then I'm going to fill in the gaps with vertical and horizontal strokes. Next, with the help of kajal pencil, I'm carefully tracing out my crease and making a V shape as shown in the video. And then I'm intensifying the outer corner with the gel liner. I have mentioned all the products which I used in this video in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. With the help of a small blending brush, I am softening the color. Now I am using a black eyeshadow to set the color in place and give it a more softer look. Now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and blending the edges carefully with very light strokes. We just want to soften the edges and give it a smooth transition color. The next, I'm using this silver shade on all over my lid. My bad, I just lost this clipping somehow. Anyways, I'm blending the edges again with the mix of black and brown eyeshadows to blend all the three colors together. Take some time in blending because that's the key for a perfect smoky eye look. And now I'm applying kajal to my lower lash line and blending it with a pencil brush. Next, I am highlighting my brow bone area with a golden tone highlighter to complement the look. And I am also applying highlighter in my inner corners. Next, I am tightlining my eyes, and for liner, I am just applying a very thin line near to my lash line. No drama. Next, I am curling my lashes and applying a good 3 to 4 coats of mascara. I have done rest of my face off camera and setting it with setting spray, and here is the finished look. So hope you like this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Meet you in my next one. Till then, be beautiful, be confident. Bye.